Hello, lovelies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Guess what? I'm doing an unboxing today and plus a product demonstration and review. So I'm going to show you what I got and I'm going to show you how to use one of the products because the other two you have been using since you were 3. Here it is. So I had a few things I needed to order from Amazon. I forgot to order. I ordered some toothbrushes. This is a 6-pack. I think it was $4.34, and then they had a coupon or 4.3. It was 4, 2, 3, 4. It was 4 something, and then they had a $1.11 coupon, and so I used it, and it was $3 and something. Is what I paid. I got more toothpaste. I got the Natural Dentist Charcoal Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. This is what I've been using. This is what I've been using. I got this last month, I bought this last month, and I liked it, and it's good. So I ordered another one. It's 5 ounces for $2.59. And then I got this Nads Natural Facial Wax Strips. It is vegan. I haven't had the wax. The last wax that I had was the Parissa, which I loved. It was the hard wax, it's called warm wax. It's not really actually hard wax. But you put it in the microwave and heat it up. It's right there, but I don't want to pick it up. And it is vegan. You see it there. It says vegan. But this is the strips with the wax on it. And this is what I'm going to be demonstrating for y'all today. So how y'all been? I've never used Nads before because I just didn't really need to ever. I have a hand mirror here that it's dirty, but that's what I'm going to be using to help me so I can see. Oh, look, Eco Wax Strips, 99.2% vegetal origin. Oh, this comes with 30 strips. I didn't even check that. I didn't even look and see how many strips were in here. I just ordered it because it was vegan. And I was like, yes. So, I'll show y'all what comes in it. So this is the oil, post-wax oil is what they call it. These strips must be cotton. Look at how it's sweet almond oil, and this is 0.3 ounces, 9 milliliter. You got your instructions, which I'm not going to read. General. Read all directions, warnings, and precautions carefully before use. Failure to follow these instructions may result in skin irritation or other injury. I'm not going to read them because I know how to use this type of thing. And it comes with a thank you card. And it says, turn me over. And I'm looking at the over, so I'm going to read it. Send us your feedback! ! Hi, thanks for choosing Nads. I'd love to hear any feedback you have on our product range. Please email me at natalie@nads.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Well, thank you, Natalie. I may do that. And these are the strips here. I'm going to use these for my lip because I'm not going to do my chin today, I don't think I am. I may. I might. But I hope this light is bright enough. So you warm it in your hands and then you Ensure skin is clean, dry, and free of oils and moisturizers. I'm reading it because I don't know. I just want to see what they say, how they say to do it. Okay, this is the upper lip and chin instructions over here. Hair on upper lip grows in 2 directions, so treat it in 2 stages. Chin hair should be removed by pulling the strips upwards towards the nose. Do not treat the same area twice. Yeah, no, you're not supposed to do that, but I may. Listen, I already know how to do this. I already know about this. Apply and remove. Apply strip with pressure from. Okay, so this is how it tells you what to do. Briskly rub strips between palms to ensure wax is warm, and then you pull it apart and you apply it, and then you pull it off. I don't know why I wanted to see how they said to heat the wax or whatever. I don't know why that was important to me, but it's like, what other way would you do it? So it's 2 strips together. I don't know how warm I'm supposed to be trying to get this. I don't know, y'all. We're just gonna find out. Okay, so I just put the strip on my thigh and I'm just rubbing it like that because I feel like it's slipping from my grasp in my hand. Oh, I washed my face with my Alafia lavender soap, and I just put on my toner that I made. It's a witch hazel based toner, and that's what I have on my face. I have a little bit of lip butter on, but I don't have. I want to do this first. No, I'll just pull those out. When I was in school, and I was getting waxed, and then my teacher put the wax right there, the aesthetics instructor, and then I was like, oh no. She was like, you want to keep it? And I was like, no. I wonder if it will pull it. It's so long. I'm not gonna. Hold on. I don't know if I can do this myself. My business. This joint probably. I hope it don't hurt. I don't even know if I got it. It didn't get that one. I thought it felt weird. Did it pull at the root? It don't want to get that one. Why you don't want to come on? Probably too long. Oh, we got one of them. I think it was 2 right there. My neck's sticking together. Oh. I usually don't mess with this because I don't want it to. It came right out. Will there be another? There are others. They're like random ones. Just like one there, one there, one there, one there. If this net don't get up my face, I think I'm gonna need to go do my chin. I don't want this video to be that long. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on this way. I'm trying to heat it up on here. I didn't even look at the ingredients. I'll look at that. Uh-oh. I forgot it was gonna hurt. Whew! Goodness. know if y'all can see good, but this ring light is not giving me the necessary light to do this. I usually do it standing up, doing it in my full-length mirror that's on the back of my door, but I need to sit here to do this video. I wasn't really worried about waxing no more, and then I saw this and I was like, oh. Also, it was $7.99, so it didn't cost that much. This almond oil is kind of thick. Yeah, almond oil is thick. I don't know why I want to put it in the cotton. I know that the cotton gonna stick to whatever wax is left on my face and tear up just like it do. You can use any type of vegetable oil you want. Coconut oil is really good. I think coconut oil is the best to use. You can use like a light olive oil, or like a lightweight, I think is what I mean. I don't know. It seems like one of them is thicker than the other one. The extra virgin olive oil might be a lighter weight than the regular. I think I put too much. I'll do a little part of my chin just to let y'all see that. I know they said do it a certain way, but I'm gonna do it this way. So my results are only reliable if you're a rebel like me. Like, yeah, I'm gonna do what I want to do. I'm like, okay. They got a few. Wasn't really too much there. We good. There is some, but they're not long enough. If this gnat don't mind his business. My chin probably oily. Oh, they got a few of them. I love waxing for the exfoliation. And that's really why I want to wax my chin. It needs the exfoliation. I'm going to make some sugar scrub and take care of my chin situation. Those strips work. So, probably, maybe just use as directed. I just pulled those hairs that y'all were wondering if I was going to wax. No, I just do it like that. So yeah, so that's it. And I used two, but four because there's two together. If I would have done my whole chin, like if my chin really needed to be done, I probably would have used 6. So 3 of these, which is 6 because, that's probably how many I would have used. So there's 15 pairs that comes in this box in the kit. Comes with the directions, the thank you card, and the post wax oil, which is almond oil. This one is vegan, and it is once again the NADS natural facial wax strips. It is $7.99 on Amazon. I'm sure you could get it other places, but I got it on Amazon. It might cost more other places, but and I'll leave the link if you want to get it off Amazon. So I guess I'll do makeup next. Thank y'all for watching. I do appreciate y'all. Follow me on Instagram at chastity.sierra, and all of my other links, I will have them down in the description. Follow me on Instagram at chastity.sierra. I do be posting stuff on there. Thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Do good and be good. I'll see you on the World Wide Web.